Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about logistic regression. So what is logistic regression? Logistic regression is a binary classification algorithm. It is a supervised learning algorithm. Logistic regression is a probabilistic model. It is applicable for linearly separable data. Now we'll get into all of that in future videos, but this video is about the equation of logistic regression, giving you a glimpse of the end result first. Logistic regression equation is 1 upon 1 plus exponential of minus theta transpose x. Now let's break it down into constituent parts. Let's arrive at it first. Y equals to x. This is a simple function presented here for the completeness of slides. Now this is a monotonically increasing function. Next we change it to y equals to exponential x. So this is a monotonically increasing function. Next we change it to y equals to exponential of minus x. Now we are moving from this image on the left to image on the right. As the values of exponential x are small, the values of exponential minus x should be large. When values of exponential x are becoming large, values of exponential minus x become small. This is a monotonically decreasing function, and the minimum value it takes is 0. Next, you would shift it by 1. So over here, this same plot has been shifted by 1, and the minimum value it takes is 1. So next, we would move it to denominator. Once we move it to denominator, once you move it to denominator, we see that when the values of 1 plus exponential minus x were large, the values of current function are small. When the values of y equals to 1 plus exponential minus x are small, equal to 1, so this value becomes roughly equal to 1 and it never goes to 0. It never goes to this denominator, never becomes 0. It is minimum it takes is 1. So the highest this value this function takes is 1. So it has these properties which we have just highlighted. It is a continuous function. It is a differentiable function, differentiable everywhere. Max, like we said, is 1. Minimum is 0. It is rotationally symmetric around its midpoint at 0, 0.5. What it means in plain English is that sigmoid has a well-defined output range. It is easy to optimize, has a clear probabilistic interpretation. Now, what is with the theta transpose expression? The theta transpose x means nothing but dot product of two column or row vectors. Vector 1 is theta 1, theta 2 up till theta n. Vector 2 is x1, x2 up till xn. Vector 2 is x or x, and vector 1 is theta. Then theta transpose x means theta 1 times x1 plus theta 2 times x2 plus all the terms up till theta n times xn. Now interpretation. What this means is if value of logistic function is greater than 0.5, class of input is 1. If the value of logistic function is less than 0.5, then class of input is 0. Now, all of this has been taken from this image from stanford.edu site, where it explains whatever we have just said, but it is a bit technical and we have just broken it down in simple language. That was all for today. Thank you.